Let's explain the screen operation and upper body operation of the hair removal device. Upon entering the depilatory handle interface, we can choose either of the two handles. Upon entering the secondary interface, it is divided into 3 overall areas. On the left is the option for multiple part selection. The middle option is for single part selection. On the right is the skin tone selection. After selecting the appropriate part and skin tone, we click on the part image to enter the operation interface. Upon entering the operation interface, we can select the hair removal mode from the top. We choose the middle mode. On the left side of the interface are the settings buttons, such as the Home, Save, Reset, and Language. On the left is the energy adjustment section, where different parts require different amounts of energy. The middle of the interface is for time adjustment. On the right is the energy part, which changes synchronously. The lower right corner shows the energy generated per square centimeter, which is synchronously adjusted with the energy above. Please note that this adjustment option should not be set too high, as it may cause excessive damage to the skin. The green button serves as the Start Pause button. Below the buttons are options for water temperature, handle cooling level, and water level adjustment. The numbers are preset for the scheme. After saving, the preset scheme can be directly used in the next operation. Return to the hair removal mode selection section and choose the hair removal mode on the left. The settings on the left are the same as the mode in the middle. We can regulate energy through the intermediate section. The energy display on the right will change synchronously with the energy adjustment. The Start Pause button and area display are the same as in the intermediate mode. Next, we choose the right side of the hair removal mode, the Fast Hair Removal mode. On the left side of the pattern, we can adjust the energy, while on the right side, we can adjust the energy frequency. The default frequency adjustment is 3 to 4 Hz. Before starting the operation, we can operate based on the preset values for each part in this image. After selecting the appropriate location and parameters, we proceed with the upper body operation. After shaving and cleaning the hair at the operation site, we need to evenly apply gel to the site. The thickness of the gel should be roughly equivalent to that of a coin. Our technique during operation is sliding from bottom to top, and do not stay in the same area for too long to avoid skin damage. Each operation involves a cycle of 3 to 5 times, and the energy, frequency, and number of times can be adjusted based on the customer's experience. During the operation, move the handle slowly and ensure that the area operated by the client feels a warm tingling sensation. After the operation, the area should be slightly reddened, and the hair should feel slightly charred. After the operation is completed, we can use disposable towels or paper towels soaked in saline solution to clean off the remaining gel. Next, we will explain the operation of the laser handle. Return to the secondary interface by clicking the main menu button, and repeatedly click the return button in the lower left corner until the controller selection interface appears. After we click on the laser handle, we can observe three wavelengths: 1064 nanometers, 755 nanometers, and 532 nanometers. Different probes can be selected based on the customer's skin issues, corresponding to the appropriate wavelengths. After installing the corresponding laser handle probe, we select the wavelength interface. Upon entering the wavelength interface, we can divide the interface into 4 areas. On the far left is the energy adjustment. Click the circular box and adjust using the adjustment button. In the middle is the adjustment of frequency. Click the round box and adjust it through the adjustment button. The right side is for adjusting the pulse width. Click the circular box and adjust it through the adjustment button. The button above is for adjusting the infrared indicator light. Ensure that the indicator light is clearly visible and does not hinder operation. The water droplet indicates the water temperature. Alarm faults may occur if the temperature is too high or too low. The circular button on the right serves as the start-pause button. The round button on the left is the return button. Before starting the operation, we can operate according to the preset values of each part in this picture. Before performing upper body exercises, we can use a tissue with saline solution to clean the area where the exercise will be performed. Put on a black eye patch for the client to ensure treatment safety. After the safety measures are completed, upper body operations can be carried out. During operation, it is necessary to ensure that the probe maintains a certain distance from the skin. An excessively long distance will result in excessive blasting force, causing skin damage. An excessively short distance will result in insufficient force, failing to produce the desired effect. During the operation, we can adopt a bottom-up approach or a point-to-point approach. Avoid staying in one position for too long to avoid causing damage to the skin. During operation, we should try to avoid the laser coming into contact with the customer's eyes, eyebrows, hair, and other areas. If necessary, use your hand or another object to shield the area. After the operation is completed, a hydrating facial mask can be applied to the customer to conclude the procedure. The above is the operation process of the 2 handles of our hair removal device. Thank you for watching.